Seafarers Marina, and this is Gemini. We have 3 of these towboat US boats out here, so I just wanted to confirm. This one on the cockpit does say Gemini, but this one has a Honda 250 outboard on it, and this one is on a separate deck. Over there is where the other 2 towboats are. So this one's a little out of the way. It's kind of hidden back here. So I'm not sure if this is where it's going to stay completely, but this is where I found it. So let's go ahead and check out the hull.